Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to enter a promo code or discount code in walmart.com. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, for this demonstration I'm going to go on and use the walmart.com, and now I'm just going to pop in a random product to my cart. So alright, I'm going to just choose anything here. Alright, scroll down. I'm going to put these headphones in, click options, and now I want blue color, click add to cart, decline that offer there, and now as it says added to cart. So now what we need to do is go ahead and view cart, and now you can review your cart here. Scroll down, and as you can see there's nowhere to put a promo code or discount code here, so you need to go to the next section, which is continue to checkout. And once you've continued to checkout, make sure to sign in as well, because I won't allow you to go to the next part without signing in. And then there'll be an option to put in your promo or discount code for Walmart to get discount on your total order.